welcome. You're watching Your Trade. I'm Kavita Thapliyal. With me is Mansi Dave. And today, after a very positive start, we saw the market slipping into the red. Investors really got cautious about the global uncertainty and also about the GST Council meeting later this week. We definitely, Mansi, struck the stop at around 24,570 levels. And we've seen upsurge. The day high was almost on 25,765 levels, but beyond that, we've seen the market facing down.
Absolutely. It was a good start, Kavita, but then the second half was negative.
Absolutely. But then what's in store for our viewers? Let's have an expert also join in. Ajit Mishra, SVP Research Religare Broking is with us. Ajit, hi, afternoon, and welcome to the show. All right. So after today's trade and today's day, what's the market for the entire week looking according to you from your lens, and also what specific sectors? You can also begin by highlighting the bank Nifty, which has been in tremendous pressure, and we closed around 53,660 levels, again in oversold category.
Yeah, good afternoon, Kavita. Good afternoon, Mansi. So yes, it was kind of a roller coaster ride for the markets because the first half it was positive. We were continuing with the last trading session's bias. We've tested 20 EMA mark around 24,720 area, but we couldn't sustain. Today, the major concern was like the shifting of the expiry, that the second half completely changed the tone. Banking, yeah, as you rightly mentioned, Kavita, that that's the major concern basically. Means we are already at 200 days of exponential moving average. That is a long-term trend, which shows the long-term trend for any underlying, and we are already at that level for the banking index. So 53,600 is a zone basically where in the last three trading sessions, banking index is trying to defend. Today also we have tested that mark, but eventually we managed to end marginally above the same. So going ahead, we feel that indications are mixed when it comes to the sectoral move. Means at one end, the consumer facing, be it auto, FMCG, consumer durables, some of the metal names, and then we have themes also like, which are unfolding with every passing day. A day before we were seeing that paper stocks, today it was sugar, PSU names. So sectorally, you continue to find buying opportunity across the board. But at the same time, when it comes to the index, I feel this lackluster move might continue until we see some decisiveness in the banking index. Means in case to hold this 53,600 level, then probably we might see a next leg of the down move, which could help the index to retest the previous swing lows around 24,350 in the Nifty, or maybe lower the long-term moving average around 24,250.
That's right, and I completely agree to that. We have sectors and themes playing even in the volatile market, even when the indices are quite volatile. But then, Ajit, what will be your trading ideas? Because like you rightly pointed out, sector-specific moves were many in the market, and so we also had a lot of stocks which were playing a positive during the session.
Certainly, and there's a reason why we are also recommending to our clients to not to give much weightage to what we are seeing in the index, especially in the current market scenario, and focus more on the themes. So, basis that, the FMCG pack definitely looks a bit to us. Means we were seeing very tight range consolidation, and post earning we were seeing that some of these stocks have already started performing, and now we are seeing catch up move in the others also. So first off in the list, that is Tata Consumers. The stock has formed a very strong base after the marginal profit taking around the short-term averages, and now it looks set for a recovery towards 1170 area. So with stop at 1075, one can accumulate Tata Consumers at current levels. Then from the metal space, Hindalco is where we are seeing outperformance. Post this marginal range consolidation around the recent highs, the stock is set for the next leg of the up move, and 760 is what we are eyeing in the near future. So with stop at 700, one can accumulate Hindalco also at the current levels.
All right. So a buy call in Tata Consumer, target is 1170, and a buy call in Hindalco, again, the target is 760. Thank you so much, Ajit, for being on the show today. But then
session of Your Trades, I take your leave, but there's a lot lined up on ET Now. You stay tuned with us.